morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing your work, but I didn't get the PDF of many students that they have done their work. I have only got the PDF of 4 and 5 students who have done the previous work in the notebook and they send me the PDF of that work. Please do the work in your notebook and send me on my WhatsApp so that I can give you the internal assessment marks. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to give the marks to you. Okay. Now we are going to start the Unit 5 digital presentation. In my last week videos, we have covered the last two chapters, Introduction to Digital Presentation and how to create a presentation. Now, today we are going to start the chapter 16, that is working with slides, that how we can add the slides in a presentation, how we can insert new slides in our presentations, how we can modify and change the layout of the slides. Next topic we will cover, that is copying, moving and deleting the styles, how we can copy the styles, move the slides from first positions to 7th position, and how we can delete the slides. Next topic is copying, moving and deleting the content, how we can copy the content, move the contents and deleting the content of our slides, how we can control the size of the view. Next is workspace view, key by what method you will use to view the presentations, what are the different views to present the slides. Next is formatting text in a presentation, how we can format the text in a presentation. This was all about for today's lecture, today's class, that is working with slides. Now let's come with me for the practical session of this. Now I am taking the example of this presentation. Its name is World Legal Service Day. ये इस topic पे presentation है. And there are many slides on these topics. Like here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slides we have made on this topic, and this is just like these are the 9 slides. Now your first topic in your book under this chapter is how we can duplicate our slides. मतलब अगर आपको सेम एज इट इज़ पहले वाली कोई स्लाइड चाहिए तो उसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी आप कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हो, लाइक दिस. आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस स्लाइड. अब मुझे इसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी चाहिए इस स्लाइड्स की, तो मैं थर्ड स्लाइड्स को, आई हैव सेलेक्टेड दिस थर्ड स्लाइड, क्लिक ऑन दिस थर्ड स्लाइड, गो टू स्लाइड ग्रुप, क्लिक ऑन द न्यू स्लाइड्स, एंड एट द लास्ट यू कैन सी डुप्लीकेट द सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड. जो भी सिलेक्टेड स्लाइड है उसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी क्रिएट कर देना. आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस एंड यू कैन सी दिस इज थर्ड नंबर स्लाइड एंड माई फोर्थ नंबर स्लाइड इज सेम. दैट इज इट सेम? थर्ड एंड फोर्थ इज सेम. फिफ्थ में देखो चेंज है, थर्ड थी मैंने उसकी डुप्लीकेट तैयार की एंड फोर्थ नंबर पर सेम स्लाइड आ गई, डुप्लीकेट कॉपी तैयार होगी. नाउ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स आर 8. पहले स्लाइड्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स वर 7 and now it is 8. Clear? That is how you can create a duplicate copy of the slide. Your next topic under this chapter is how you can insert a new slide. Suppose मुझे after fourth slide I want to insert a new slide, then what will I do? क्लिक ऑन दिस न्यू स्लाइड. न्यू स्लाइड में जाने के बाद टाइटल स्लाइड, टाइटल एंड कंटेंट, सेक्शन हेडर, विच टाइप ऑफ स्लाइड्स आई वांट टू इंसर्ट आई कैन सेलेक्ट. सपोज आई वांट टू इंसर्ट द ब्लैंक स्लाइड, सो आई एम सेलेक्टिंग दिस ब्लैंक स्लाइड एंड नाउ ऑन फिफ्थ नंबर दिस इज माई ब्लैंक स्लाइड. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज मॉडिफाइंग अ स्लाइड लेआउट, हाउ वी कैन चेंज द लेआउट. फॉर चेंजिंग द लेआउट ऑफ द स्लाइड, फोर्थ नंबर, फिफ्थ नंबर, सिक्स नंबर, 7th नंबर, जिसका भी लेआउट आपने चेंज करना चाहते हो, लेआउट में आप गए, और आप यहाँ से कोई भी लेआउट सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन लेआउट में जाके सपोज इसका मैं दिस वन थर्ड स्लाइड आई एम सेलेक्टिंग दिस. मैंने उसका लेआउट चेंज कर लिया एंड यू कैन सी द चेंजेस इन द स्लाइड्स. दिस इज द मेथड बाय विच यू कैन चेंज द लेआउट ऑफ द स्लाइड्स. Next is how you can move, copy and deleting a slides. If you want to delete a slide, suppose 5th number blank slide I want to delete, click on this slides. Now go on. Press the delete key on the keyboard. आप कीबोर्ड से किसको प्रेस कर दो? डिलीट की. That will be deleted. अब देखो 4th के बाद 5th ब्लैंक थी बट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट शोन हेयर. तो दिस इज़ द मेथड टू डिलीट अ स्लाइड. नेक्स्ट इज कॉपिंग अ स्लाइड्स. हाउ वी कैन कॉपी अ स्लाइड्स. इस पे जाओ 4th पे गए, कंट्रोल सी किया एंड देन कंट्रोल वी. 5th नंबर पे देखो सेम स्लाइड दोबारा होगी. मैंने वहीं पे कॉपी किया और वहीं पर पेस्ट कर दिया और इसको मैं दोबारा कॉपी कर रही हूँ, कंट्रोल सी. और अब मैं 8th नंबर के बाद पेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ, यहाँ गया एंड कंट्रोल वी. अब 8th के बाद दिस इज माई 9th स्लाइड्स दैट आई हैव पेस्टेड. तो दिस बाय दिस मेथड यू कैन पेस्ट अ स्लाइड्स. ठीक है, कॉपी पेस्ट यू कैन मूव अ स्लाइड्स. इफ़ यू वांट टू मूव अ स्लाइड्स, यू वांट टू चेंज द पोजीशन. 5th नंबर स्लाइड्स जो है मेरी 6th नंबर स्लाइड्स को मैं 10 नंबर स्लाइड्स पर लेकर आना चाहती हूँ. हाउ वी कैन डू दिस. गो टू 6th नंबर स्लाइड, click on it and drag it. Drag and drop method. After 9 I drop it. Now you can see it is showing here. 5th number slides is now at the number 9. So by this method you can move the slides. So these are the 3 methods how you can copy, move and delete the slides. Next is how you can copy, move and delete the contents of a slides. For deleting the contents, for example, I am here at the 9th number slides. Copy के लिए you have to select this, control C, copy. Now 7th number, enter, control V. Similar method which we are already using in MS Word, that control C and control V. आपने control C किया एक slide से, that you have copy the content and then you go on the another slide and you can control V, you have pasted that content on that slide. This is copy paste content. Next is how you can move the text. For moving the text you can use the cut and paste option. I have selected this option. होम टैब में यहाँ पे क्लिपबोर्ड टैग में मैंने यहाँ पे कट पे क्लिक किया. आई एम क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस कट, दैट इज कटिंग डाउन हेयर. नाउ आई हैव मूव्ड ऑन द 8th number slides and enter and control V. Now that is pasted here. By this method you can move the text. Next is how you can delete the text. Select the text and press the delete button. That text is already deleted. So these are the method to copy, move and delete the contents. I think now it is clear to you that how we can copy, move and delete the slides, and next how we can copy, move and delete the contents. Next is controlling the size of the view. For this you will use a zoom slider. If you want to change the size of the slides, you want to change the outlook of the slides, you can use the zoom options. For that you will use the zoom slider options like this option. You can see that at the bottom of the screen you can see there is the zoom slider. My zoom is set at the 81%, and if I am moving it left hand side then its size will be low. If I am moving it to the right hand side then its size is zooming. So by this method you can control the size of the view. Next is how you can workspace view, how you can view the slides. You can view the slides in the there are 5 views to show the slides, and it's very important question, how many types of views are there in the PowerPoint. There are the 5 views. First is normal, next is slide sorter view, next is notes page, next is reading view, and next is slide show view. So where you can see the views, you have to click on this view option, view tab. You will click on this view tab. As you will click in the presentation view, you can see that there are the 4 views: normal view, slide sorter view, notes page, and the reading view. Normal view, when you will click on this normal view, this is your normal view, that all the slides in the small पैटर्न के अंदर आपकी सारी स्लाइड्स यहाँ पर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड्स पर शो हो रही हैं. दीज आर द, दिस इज द नॉर्मल व्यू. व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन द स्लाइड सॉर्टर व्यू, then all the slides will be shown in the miniature view. When I will click on the slide sorter like this, my all slides are showing here in a miniature view, small views, 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब यहाँ से it is very easy for you to change the to move the slides. For example, I want to move the second slide to the after 10th, then I am clicking on this and I am moving it here. You can see now second number slide is here. Now it's now third number is now second number. So by this you can move easily, you can delete easily, you can copy paste easily. To whenever you want to do the copy paste and move the slides, then firstly go to the miniature view, slide sorter view, and after that it will be very easy for you. Next is the notes view. What is the notes view? It displays the notes page for the selected slides, where you can write some additional information for the current slide. For example, for this slides I want to write some extra information as a notes to me. So click on this and go to the notes page. और यहाँ पर आप इसके बारे में कुछ भी इसके notes में you can write down here. Clear? आप slide sorter view में जाओ, तो अब आपकी इसके कुछ नोट, जब भी आप इस पर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको इससे रिलेटेड नीचे ये देखो, यू कैन सी द नोट्स विच यू विल राइट डाउन हेयर. तो दिस इज फॉर मेकिंग द नोट्स. किसी भी वेन एवर यू आर गिविंग द प्रेजेंटेशंस एंड यू वांट टू राइट समथिंग अबाउट दैट स्लाइड्स इन अ नोट्स पैन, देन you will use this notes page view. Next is your reading view. Reading view is that will be very easy for you to read the slides one by one like this. That is just like the slideshow view. इसमें one by one करके your slides will be shown to you and it will be very easy for you to read all the slides. Now press the escape key and you will come back to your normal view. This is the 4 views I have told you: normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, and the reading view. And the next is the slideshow view. Reading view and the slideshow views are the same. How you can use the slideshow view? Click on the slideshow tab. Then from beginning or from current slide. If you want to show all the slides, then click on the from beginning. If you want to show your presentation from the 3rd number slide, then click on the 3rd number and click on this from the current slide. Now it is showing you all the slides. From the 3rd slide, it is showing the slideshow view of your slides. Clear? Now come back to your normal view. And next is formatting the text in a presentation. How you can format the text? Go to the home tab and you can see that font. Click between the slides. Click on the text that is written in the slides and then your this font tab will be active and you can change the formatting of this. For example, I can make it bold, I can make it italic, I can make it underline. I can increase the size of the font. If I want to reduce the size, then I can decrease the font size. This I can give the color to its font color. I can give lowercase, uppercase, which we have already done in the MS Word, that is lowercase letters. by selecting, it will change all the letters into the lowercase letters. By this method you can do the formatting of it. Strike through, if I select this, then if I will click on this strike through, if I want to give the shadow. So these are all the formatting features which you can apply on the text that is written in the slides. So this was all about this chapter, that is the chapter number 17, that is the working with slides. There are many topics under the working with slides, that is inserting the duplicate slides, inserting new slides, modifying a slide layout, copy moving and deleting the slides, copy moving and deleting the contents of the slides, how many types of views are there of the slides, and next was the how you can format the text in a presentation. So this was all about your this chapter which we have covered in today's video. So so it's my request to all of you, please do the practical of this chapter also. It's very easy, I think you all have done in your previous class also, but please do the revision of these practical session. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.